Hello friends, welcome to Export Import Learning channel. Today in this session, we will understand about export of the food and beverage type of product. Okay, so before export such kind of product, we need to take the confirmation from the buyer country that any kind of requirement of the certificate for the particular food, because some countries are very particular for that importing food type of product. They require some certificate for the purpose of testing, inspection, and certification. Okay, the countries are very particular that by the food and beverage products, the human lives shall not affect and uh, not any problem by having such food. So they need testing, inspection, and certification. Okay, so in this process, once we are going to export the goods from our country, like a grain, meat, rice, vegetable, potato, mango pulp, pizza paste, stabilizability juice. These are the products which are mostly exported to the other country. So what we do before exporting these goods, we will take confirmation from our buyer. Okay, our buyer will confirm that what kind of requirement in the custom purpose documentations and country respective. So while dispatching and preparing this set of document for the custom purpose and post shipment document purpose, we will prepare this document also. So once we export such goods, we will share this document. Okay, we will share this document to our buyer. Okay, so it's depend on the type of foods we are going to export. It's what kind of testing require. If goods are like a grains or potato or all things, then what kind of inspection require. It's depend on the product. So some agencies which help in this case, the agencies like in India, FGS Food Certification, Fairlab Private Limited, and Bureau Veritas. These are agencies which help us for this process. Okay, so what we do in this process, once we receive the order, okay, we inform to our packing team and production team or our operational team for the dispatching planning. So in this process, we also follow with these agencies for the taking certifications and testing certifications before dispatching. So once we receive this certificate, we share this certificate through email to our buyer, and buyer will confirm. Okay, it's there is no problem. Then go ahead for the export as normal process. Okay, if certificate is not okay, then we will get certificate as per requirement of the government of that uh, importer country. Okay, so we prepare after receiving and confirmation from the buyer, we will prepare the set of document like a pre-shipment document. Okay, and we export the goods, and we need to keep in mind that the step is come which is very important when we show these documents which we have already received from this agency. So for that, while sending up the post shipment documents or pre-allied document to our buyer, we will send this document. Okay, we will send this certificate of the inspection or testing or confirmation. So once we send this document with the post shipment document, our buyer country and buyer agent will file this document in his country. Okay, and in this way, this process is complete. If any objections received from the buyer countries, and we need to do the same as per requirement of the buyer. If certificate is okay, then the goods are delivered by the help of agent, and finally buyer receive the goods. So guys, in this session we have understood what is the basic requirement of the food type of export. So we will keep in mind these steps while exporting such goods. So guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.